It starts exactly at point of origin at manufacturing plant, where the product is ready to be shipped, and from there we then collect the container from the depot, the terminal in Cape Town, and deliver it to our distribution center. Every link in the chain from Mumbai right through to the distribution center is of vital importance. And as soon as the product is into the warehouse, we are satisfied that the job has been done, and then it's handed over to the distribution center.
So as soon as we get it here and the container gets offloaded, we'll take it and move it into the allocated space in a bulk area. From there it will follow all the rules that we work by. If and when the stock is required, it will be moved from the bulk lane into the pick phase, where it will be put in the racking. The guys will get a sales order from head office, and a picking job will be allocated to them. As soon as they scan that label, the job is allocated and they'll be directed to go through the warehouse and follow the pick path as decided by the warehouse management system. As soon as a completed picked order reaches dispatch, they will scan that reference label and they will start checking the product. And we'll hand that over to Value Logistics, which is our third-party logistics partner, who will deliver all the parcels for us in South Africa.
We do not only warehouse boxes. We bring boxes into the country containing medicine that saves lives, and we send it out to the people who need it. We take pride in the Cipla brand, we take pride in the Cipla product, and any value we can add basically becomes our responsibility. But in the past 4 or 5 years, we've filled this place to the brim.
The limitation of not having a fully racked warehouse where everything is put in its own location.
And that's why we're so excited to move to the new facility, where things are going to work the way they're supposed to work. New distribution center, we have state-of-the-art equipment. Every single aspect of that building is modern and new. From the air conditioning system, the building management system, the lighting, the racking.
It's going to offer us lots of space, to be precise about 22,000 pallets of it.
The warehouse floor is an FM2 special floor. In a square meter, there's not allowed to be more than 2 millimeter variance. The building is at its highest point about 25 meters high, and the highest pallet will be stored at about 15.6 meters.
It's about 145 by 115 meters, just over 3 rugby fields.
Every part of it was carefully designed, carefully thought about, and then built.
With the new distribution center, the facility is perfect.
It's well supported with, some main arteries or main roads.
And it's out of your normal hustle and bustle of very busy industrial areas.
The ease of operation and the efficiencies we were able to farm out of the new building is something that can't be compared to our existing facilities.
To heal South Africa, to get the product to the patient, that is the most important aspect of anything that we do.
We see ourselves as an integral part of the business. We do not only deliver packages, we bring them healthcare.
So everything that we've implemented, everything that we've done was to make sure that we can get it as quickly and as accurately as possible to our customers.